When you think about, I get paid on a Friday, but my rent is due on Wednesday. That doesn't seem like a big deal to even say, well, I could be a couple days late. But if you're a mother on a marginal income, saving to keep great credit so that you can afford to buy a house, that 2 days could make all the difference in your credit score. That makes all the difference whether you're able to secure a loan or not. Hey, I'm Michael Render, professionally known as Killer Mike. I've grown up in Atlanta in an all-black enclave. I grew up in a neighborhood called Acaria Heights. It was founded in 1948 by black people, for black people. I wore this pendant today because my grandmother's on it. My grandmother taught me to bank. She taught me how to balance a checkbook. They were always adamant about not only having a large bank account, they also made sure that we kept a local black bank account because it was black banks and credit unions that helped finance black mortgages, help finance black car loans, that help finance the community we lived in. So my enthusiasm for banking, period, and saving coin is I've seen what it has been able to do in my own family. One of the big problems that we're facing in working class neighborhoods, African American and non-Latino communities, poor and working class white communities, is the lack of accessibility to physical banks. And many of the places that took the place of banks were check cashing places, but they start putting higher interest loans out there for things, charging people up to 20% just to cash checks. And Greenwood and its card was a way to fight that, to combat that, to reverse that. I've known Andrew Young for 31 years. He's been an amazing ambassador for my city and state and African Americans and the American people. And he's someone who I just trust. And he wanted to help this new generation of people become more financially responsible. Poor people born with an opportunity, educational-wise, in a country like this, and the opportunity to take control of coin can grow into the working class and up into the middle class. My wife and I own the swag shop, the shave, wash, and groom shop. If I went to one of the bigger banks, they're thinking you're going by a barbershop. You're probably only getting booth rent. Why would we lend you money? If I was a lender, I'd think like that. But I don't realize as a large bank, this is a barbershop, but it's also growing out of the black community. Black guys get their haircut every week. So if I'm looking at a customer, I'm looking at a customer spending $100 to $200 with me a month. If I'm starting to look at 10 customers, that's $2,000 a month, you know? My bank, Greenwood, and smaller black banks see the need for that. They understand that 8 barbershops, like 8 liquor stores or churches, can coexist in a black community and none of them go out of business. If you have a strong African American community, if you have a strong Latinx community, if you have a strong working class white community, what you have is a bunch of communities that make for a tapestry that when sewn together make for an amazingly warm quilt that helps keep this nation thriving and on the forefront of the world economy. This is a 100-year campaign. This is not a 10-month campaign. This is long after I'm gone, I'd like to see Greenwood growing and doing exactly what it was named for. It was named for a part of Tulsa, Oklahoma, in which newly freed people began and set up their own community. And I think the greatest honor we could do those people is to make sure that we're doing the same in the digital space right now.